This past week we witnessed NIO fall by yet another 14%, which just simply means that from the current price that NIO is trading at of $45.78, it's a 32% drop from its all-time high of $66.99. And this big drop is what's making some of the NIO investors to panic, while to other NIO investors it's a big opportunity. Ladies and gents, welcome to yet another video. Now on today's video, guys, I'll be trying to unpack some of the major things that you need to know about the NIO stock. I'll also touch base on why the NIO stock price has fell so dramatically. So stay tuned, as I believe that after watching this video, guys, you will definitely pile more on your NIO stock. Otherwise, just a disclaimer, guys, please know that I'm not a professional financial advisor. If you seek professional financial advice, do the right thing and go consult the professionals. Guys, the way investors panic when they see the stock they own dropping, it's very interesting because it looks like they always want the stocks they own to always go up in a straight line. But we all know that that's not how the stock market works, ladies and gents. We all know that the stock market, guys, doesn't always go up in a straight line. Otherwise, if that was the case, so many people would be rich right now and would be having a lot of money through the stock market. So it's very important, first and foremost, before we dig deeper into this stock, for you to understand that stocks don't always go up. Stocks, sometimes they have to go down, sometimes they will consolidate. So that's how the stock market has always been. Now, right at the beginning of this year, you will know that NIO was one of the hottest stock that was trending because it went to its all-time high of $66.99, which made a lot of investors to even pile more onto this stock because they were very excited. The sentiment was very high. But in the last few weeks, we saw some of the NIO investors really panicking and thinking that maybe this stock has done its utmost best and maybe it's time. Some were even saying that this stock might be going back or heading back towards $30 per share, which I definitely think, my friend, we are not going to see NIO going back to the 30s anytime soon. Now, guys, the reason why most of the stocks have been dropping, it's for the mere fact that the market in general fears the rapid rising of interest rates. Because, guys, you will know that interest rates are set to increase from 1.1 to 1.3, and so that is why the market is kind of like reacting badly towards the rise of these interest rates. This is the reason why so many stocks are falling. This is the reason why we are seeing even so many top stocks that we know that they are doing well falling. Now, the good thing, guys, is that this dip or this fall that we see NIO presenting to us gives us a massive opportunity to buy this stock at a discounted price. Guys, although the market is in fear of the rapid rise of interest rates, I think I should remind you that NIO is a company that is continuing to show a good growth momentum. And we saw that from the January car record-breaking deliveries. I mean, who breaks a delivery record in January? That should definitely open up your mind, because not many companies, guys, are breaking sales record in January. So this should just definitely tell you that, guys, this is a good company that is doing great things, that is doing good or achieving so many good things that so many companies in the stock market are failing to achieve. So, guys, it's very important for you to shut the noise that you might hear about this stock out there and continue taking an advantage on buying more or adding more positions on your NIO stock. And guys, another thing to remember is that the auto market December deliveries are usually enormous because of the holiday demand, as many people are rushing to buy new cars. And in this industry, if you've been following it, in January you will notice that delivery always fall in most of the companies as the December holidays dries up, which is why you will see so many auto companies trying to reduce their prices on their cars so that they can at least generate some revenue in January, because they know that in January the deliveries or the sales are very low. But one thing about NIO, guys, is that we saw a total different thing from what I just told you, because you'll remember that the January deliveries for NIO were better than the December deliveries, which just simply tells you something to say that, guys, not only is this company sustaining its 2020 momentum, but it is building more and more onto the momentum we saw in 2020, which is very important, guys, because this just simply means that, guys, this company is showing a very good signs that it will have an even better year than what we saw in 2020. So it's very important, guys, that you pick up some of these things, because, guys, they open up your eyes to see that, guys, this stock is set to do very well. And from what I've just told you, guys, I think we can all agree that better days are still ahead for this NIO stock. 2020 was good, but I definitely think that 2021 can be even much better for this stock. The auto market in China, it's set to do very well. I mean, sales are expected to grow by over 4%, which is very, very good, guys, because then it simply means that it is expected that more people are going to buy cars in China this year. And guess what? Who is one of the leading car companies that you know in China? Of course, it's NIO. It simply means that NIO is also expected to do very well. So you should definitely think about these things before you decide to sell some of your NIO stock, or before you sell your entire NIO stock holding, because, guys, you will definitely regret when you see so many investors like us reaping good benefits or good returns. So, guys, on Friday, NIO was trading around $45.78 when the market close, and I definitely think that, guys, you should partake into this big opportunity. I don't think we will ever see NIO going down below 40s anytime soon. I definitely think that this $45.78 is a good price that me and you should definitely partake and buy and invest more shares or add our positions on this NIO stock. I did the same. Just on Friday, I added more positions on my NIO stock because I believe that that price was a way discounted price for this stock, which is why I definitely went in and add more positions on my NIO stock holdings, because I was sure that we might not see NIO coming down to that price anytime soon. So I knew that that was the best price that you would want to add your positions on NIO. So this company continues to do so many things that many EV stocks or many EV companies are failing to do, which is why I think that it's one of the best companies that you should definitely invest most of your money in, because it's still trading at a very affordable price. And already I can say boldly as well to say that come December, this stock will be trading around $100 US. And trust me, I will tell you this, that you will definitely regret if you don't partake in adding your positions or in buying this NIO stock. So it's very, very important, guys, that you take this opportunity and invest more onto this NIO stock. Otherwise, guys, we cannot forget that this coming week we are expecting the earnings results of Q4 2020, which I definitely think that they are once again going to blow our mind, because as we know that NIO on Q4 made yet another delivery record, and I am expecting those results to drive the stock price of NIO back to where it belongs. Otherwise, guys, I make tons and tons of stock market investing videos, and if you think that this video was amazing, please don't forget to hit that like button. And if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also press the notification bell so that YouTube can notify you every time I release a video. Otherwise, that's all from me today, guys, and see you in my next video. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless you all.